Are you guys ready for a live stream? Live stream. Are you guys ready to make some money? Backtest your winning. Are you guys ready to make some money? Alright, today we're going to be backtesting it 1 week. Or I've already backtested the other week. And we're going to do our weekly recap and as well as see our entries and everything from that backtest of the week as well. So let's get over here. Let's go to Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, so what we're gonna do is first go over the weekly profile and eventually just go to our daily and see how where else are drawn liquidity for this week. Let's go for the weekly profile. Our drawn liquidity for this specific week was overall our drawn liquidity would be here since that already got met on Tuesday. Would be going to some other lows. It would be such as this low, such as these other lows over here as well. So let's see if there is any candles here. 1, 2. This right over here is our swing low. 1, 2. This is our swing low as well. So it had multiple take profits here, but you can see that all of your drawn liquidity would be over here. Since that wouldn't, because this is, time does change, so it can't be as always, right? So our drawn liquidity overall for the whole week, it would not be this, since this already got met, right? Our drawn liquidity for the week would be this low and this low, right? But our first drawn liquidity would overall be this, recent week low. Once this gets messed, once I see a lower move from it, I'm like expecting lower prices. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Since our drawn liquidity is here, since the drawn liquidity got met on Monday, you can see right on Monday market hit the TP, hit the drawn liquidity rule. So now after Monday, if we see the market starting to, if we see a big reaction going below this previous week's low, we can expect lower prices, right? Then eventually we're gonna be using our previous, eventually we're gonna be using our previous week's high and low way of trading, right? The if-then principle on this. So now let's go to the daily time frame. And the daily time frame, what do we have? Our overall goal here as well as this right over here. But market beforehand pumped before dumping down a lot. So it says I know my overall drawn liquidity for the week is down here and down here, right? For the day, what's our drawn liquidity for the day? What's the daily drawn liquidity? You can see beforehand on Friday, market did an if-then principle. It wicked above the previous day's low. So we're kind of expecting higher prices, but it all depends on how the market is right over here, right? So let's see. We were definitely expecting higher prices here, but let's go to the 4-hour time frame to get more inside look into it, right? So since we have our weekly objective, which is to be lower here. Now all we're gonna be doing is doing this ranging thing, okay? So range from, this is the high, this is the low, the range high, range low. Market really never tapped any discount PD array, which was over here. Really never got tapped. So there was no discount PD array. But we did have this fair value gap right over here. So right when market opened, market instantly tapped the key level and dumped down, right? Hitting our weekly objective straight away. So, and we're expecting higher prices because we wicked above the previous day's low. But on the weekly time frame, we are overall bearish. So our drawn liquidity will be bearish, but since the drawn liquidity got met on this day, on straight away on Monday, we don't. Actually, beforehand, let me go check before we do anything like that, let's check our weekly news calendar, because this would actually tell us, this would give us more insight onto thing, because this would give us more insight on our thing over here. Let me see the filters right over here. None, just do USD, GBP, Euro USD, GBY. Only red folder news, all we care about. Apply filter. Let's do this whole week instead of this. And I don't know why it's not doing that. Okay, apply settings. Okay. This was this week. We're going for the previous week. Right? So on previous week, on Monday there was no news. So on Monday there was no news, and Tuesday there was a climate change. On Wednesday we had CPI. On Thursday we had PPI. On Wednesday we had core retail sales. So on Monday, realistically, we should have not been trading Monday throughout the weekly range, but we don't use that as much as well, right? So we'd be using, we're gonna look, it's all based on probabilities, right? So we're expecting either Wednesday to be the high of the week or any day beforehand, because you know CPI is what's gonna be. CPI is gonna be the one gonna tell us how the market is gonna move, right? So before CPI, I wouldn't know how the market, what if Monday would be the high of the day or Tuesday would be the high of the day. But this is a classic expansion week overall, right? Monday making the high of the week. But I wouldn't know, I wouldn't confirm it until Wednesday, until the news comes out, and I see how Wednesday price action forms like this. You can see how Wednesday straight away continues the down move, right? So now on CPI, I would know that the market would definitely want to go down. It's definitely gonna be expansion week, right? So Thursday and Friday, I would know that market is probably gonna straight away go into a expansion. Friday might be once the drawn liquidity gets met, might be a reversal, right? But we still would have not known until the lunch session is over for Friday if the TGI was going to be there or not, right? So you can see right over here, on Monday, market started down, dipped down. Our weekly objective was to the downside. Our daily objective was actually to the upside, right? But we had a PDA rate to the downside here to push the market back down. On the daily perspective, let's go push price back down here. On the daily perspective, we were expecting higher prices here, right? But we as well did tap into no, we did not tap into key level. Okay, interesting. Because I was expecting if the principle, I was expecting higher prices, so my bots would essentially be wrong for this day, right? So we're looking. So the way we'd know if the principle is by A session, neo session. We'll be looking into the delayed or continuation profile. We'll be looking at that daily profile, and that would give us more insight into this, right? So let's get into this. So we would have really not known what type of profile would be deep for the day. Yeah. Damn, my ear hurts so bad, chat. Okay, so I wouldn't know what type of profile would it be. I would not know where will be the drawn liquidity until I see the intraday profile, right? So now let's go to the 4 hours. Since we're already in here, we're gonna be checking into the intraday profile, right? What type of profile is it looking at right now? On the daily time frame, our drawn liquidity is bullish, right? Since our drawn liquidity is overall bullish to this recent day's high, right, which is over here, expecting higher prices because we wick below, so expecting higher prices, right, for the day. But we could counter trend that if we do get some more infos on it and how the protection profile would be, right? On the daily time frame, Asia session, you see right over here. Asia should make the high of the day, right? Makes the high of the day. Right over here, makes a high, which the 9 p.m. candle is not souped out. So there's a delayed protection profile. You can see instantly, like I would have not, since in this day I would have been bullish, right? Since my thing says I'm bullish. if it says I'm bullish, I wouldn't want to see this candle. So for another session, my buys would be wrong because my if the principle says it's bullish, right? But after the session, my buys would be different from here on end, right? But see, we can only expect two profiles: a delayed or normal protection profile. For a normal protection profile, our 9 p.m. is a CRT, but delayed is a 5 p.m. right? So 5 p.m. it makes a high of the day. So any time here, I would have my bias wrong. As you can see right here, even this candle with the CRT, you can see this is a CRT candle, but everyone gets respected. So let's see if we do have an entry here on the lower time frame. Our key level would be obviously this saying this rejection block in these soups of lows, right? So now I'm gonna go to 15-minute time frame. We're waiting till what? 3 o'clock. You get souped out. 3 o'clock is right over here. 2 a.m. At 1 a.m. it gets souped out at 9. At 2 a.m. it's disrespected this, by the way. So at 3 a.m. we're looking for trades, right? At 3 a.m. straight away dumps down. Now we're looking for a entry here as well. Since we feel like this is gonna be the low of the day, we're looking for entries here. Boom. 2 a.m. candle. I'll go to the 5-minute time frame. We're looking for entries at the 5-minute time frame. Do we have any PD array to back this off? We do. This range low right over here. Boom. Key level. So our buys for this session would be wrong, right? Eventually we have to, we have to react to the price, and we have to go what price is telling us, right? We have our hourly key level. So now I'm gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. It's a bit low here. Market pushes down, swoops out that low. Market swoops out this other low, which is over here. So this is our actual model 1 here, right? So boom, pumps up at 345. We have an entry here at 350, at 355. It gives us an entry here. On this day we're expecting higher prices because if a wick below, so expecting higher prices. You see, we had a loss here. This is a good loss. How is it a good loss? We did what our rule says, right? So our goal would be here and overall here. We're expecting it for this to make the low of the day, right? Although this does look like the daily protection profile, but that New York session, our box would have been changed because now that intraday, that daily profile is telling us that it's a delayed protection profile. You can see overall one gain, 1% loss. So now we don't know what is going to be our buys. Now we just gotta wait till the next day, next session. Next session it dips down. So now obviously our drawn liquidity is definitely bearish because market at New York session it made the low of the day, right? It made the high of the day. So we're looking for lower prices for the next session because my if then principle is bullish, but this says that our daily profile usually always aligns with our if then principle. Our daily profile says nope, that's wrong. Now we're expecting lower prices here. So now go to the hourly time frame. There's an 8 a.m. candle, 8 a.m. candle close below. There's the other one. So now since we're expecting lower prices here, we're looking for shorts to short it down here. And with that, we have to look at the one thing I forgot about is our advanced profiles and stuff like that. You can see market is rejecting highs, breaking lows, rejecting highs, reaction, boom, breaking lows. So we're overall bearish in our advanced market profile, and I forgot to do the market profiling for this as well. This market opened straight away, went to a accumulation, manipulation, expansion type of key level. Accumulated, there's no manipulation, expansion, tap this another key level. Look over here, right when we tap this key level, we're looking for reversals, right? Reversal, tap another key level, which is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. The rejection block, I don't know if rejection block is actually good with this, but this does look like to be a accumulation, expansion, retracement, another expansion here, right? So let's see now the time frame. There's a key level. There was a key level. There was a total block here. So Reversal, tap another key level, another reversal back to the downside, boom. Now market reverse here. Now two things could happen, right? Here, another reverse to the upside, or we can get a retracement and another expansion, right? So the 15-minute time frame, we got an expansion. The expansion type of key level. So after the key level, we're expecting a reversal, right? So the reversal happened, but in this case would be wrong. Market reversed a little bit. Eventually, they tap in the key level here. Nope. Tapped it, reversed. The reversal turned into a reversal again. Wait. It wouldn't make sense, right? It wouldn't make sense because we're going against the high time frame market. We're going against the order flow, which is bearish. Would have not made sense here. Okay, would have not made sense here. How could we avoided this loss? The overall order flow is bearish. So looking for sells instead of buys. Hey, overall order flow was bearish, but we're looking for sells. Because you never had any confirmation that the market wants to go out of here, right? Hey, the order flow was bearish. I gotta see how the market is doing with the order flow because I'm trying to go with the order flow, right? The order flow is bearish overall on this day or this week. We're expecting lower prices. The profile is telling us that as it could be a expansion, retracement, another expansion, and a retracement, another expansion to the back to the downside. That's how it would make sense for me. But this would have been a counter trend. I would have definitely been wrong in this. How have I done this? Because who's here? We're going to get that order flow. We're going to get order flow. Let's see on this one, right? They candle, they sweep out the high. They sweep out the high. So now we're doing is go to the 5 o'clock, 5 minute time frame. Since our 4 hour, see on the 4 hour time frame, we are not going long here. This Atlantic session tells us that this is from 1 a.m. all to 5 a.m. right? Anything above 5 a.m. if it does not sweep out the low, if it does sweep out the low, that is Atlantic session is not the low of the day. You know why it's not the low of the day? I don't have more info, right? Because the 5 a.m. candle sweep out the low, right? When it seeks out the low, that's no longer a London low of low of the day, high of the day, right? That's no longer the day. Now it's telling me us that it's telling me a New York continuation day, right? No reversals, only continuation, right? So now go to the 5 minute time frame. We had this fair value gap as our conference here. So now we're going to order flow. This one's going to order flow, right? Gotta keep that in mind. This is our PD array. Go to the 5 minute. Okay, straight away. There's a distributed high here. Taps it, boom. The number closes below it. Taps another time. Boom. Sweeps out the high. Now this one taps it, right? This gives us a goal here. Boom. To be hit for a 2.2 hour. Now this makes sense, right? Now we're not waiting for the 15 minute. We're not waiting for this 4 hour. We're waiting because it's our daily profile, delayed protection profile. So we're expecting lower prices to be smashed instantly. So when we're using the hourly instead of the 15 minute instead of the 4 hour. See market overall they go back to our entry price. Eventually that gets top us out, but our direction bounce was right. So now we lost what 1 hour doing a counter trend. We're going against the order flow. On this one, with the order flow, we got a TP here, right? So we made our 1.8% gain. So 1% loss, 1.8% gain. Oh, counting the loss as well. So the order flow is bearish. So now let's go to the next day. Next day, this is the 17 o'clock, it's at 5 p.m. Let's go look at the if-then principle. If-then principle, it closed below, looking for lower prices. I'm expecting lower prices from here. Overall, journal liquidity is here because it looks like I met that as well. Overall, journal liquidity is here. All right, and lower after that. So now we got this our journal liquidity is here. A session, at 5 p.m. This looks like a delayed protection profile. See the candle that kicks. The candle does it. Okay, let's go back. At 5 p.m. is a CRT here. The 5 p.m. is a high of the day. It's not a CRT no more. So I'm looking for lower prices. So I'm looking for either the line section to be the high of the day or a low of the day, right? But in this case, it's gonna be a delayed protection profile because the 5 p.m. CRT is a CRT here. So now let's go to the 1 o'clock. Boom, boom. Market missed the goal. This is 2 a.m. Let's see if we can get a push down here, even lower push from here. Just got met. Now we're expecting lower prices from here. The principle might be a loss here, right? Let's see. We got our key over there. Our overall order flow is bearish. Our profile is telling us market open straight away. Tap the key level. Accumulation market and reversal. Tap on our key level. We could be getting another expansion here. The market did a retracement, so now looking for a retracement, not expansion or accumulation. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. It's at 3 o'clock time. Let's see. Market tapped the low. We're not looking for no trades. I'll wait until the next session. Let's put our trades here. This looks like to be a delayed protection profile. To the 4-hour time frame. Delayed. This is making the H is making a half a day. It looks like H is making a half a day. Looking for lower prices from here. Your continuation to the downside. Since we're going to order flow, we go with this daily CRT low. What are we looking at this? Because we're in a bigger range here, right? So 8 a.m. candle is the inside bar. Well, that's the 8 a.m. candle. Hey, 8 a.m. candle was no entries here. Market just dumped down here. Boom. It's the next day, Wednesday. This looks like to be a normal protection profile. So we're looking for no. Another delayed protection profile because the 5 a.m. is a CRT here, but let's see. Oh, I was wrong then. Okay, because the CRT got disrespected, so there's no longer a CRT here, right? Or CRT is just 5 a.m., so we're looking for a normal protection profile. Yeah, let's go to the daily time frame with the rest of our if-then principle. If-then principle says we're bearish. Just short it down to all over here. Okay, let's soup that out. So it's no longer our away here. We're not looking for no trades. We're gonna let this play out. Yeah. Let's wait until next session. Oh, this is Wednesday. Okay, this is Wednesday. This is when we would see how is the market gonna be, if that's gonna be the half the week or not. See on Wednesday, market straight pumped up. URT pumped up, okay. Okay, what type of profile is this? Market profile, let's see. For Twitter real quick. Oh my god. Because I forgot which profile were these. Oh. This is okay, so this in this case the 5 a.m. is CRT, so we're looking for a New York reversal 2, profile 2. Is it looks like this not just made the low today, but we are bearish. We're not bullish in this case. We are bearish, right? So within principle, the order flow is bearish, right? Okay, that makes sense. Okay. I want to see because when I do it counter trends, I don't want to be going against the counter trend, right? Within principle, it says we're bearish, so let's just the CRT. Now what I'm gonna do is see if there's an SMT here. The last week. Okay. Hey, okay. Looks like this is going to be SMT with DXY. You see down moves without any patience. Oh yeah, this is just gonna be a weak day. Just market dumps down. So maybe till waiting till 10:30 a.m. Now boom, market dump. Now that's I know we know there's gonna be a classic expansion week, so it's gonna come the next day. See our thing principle, we're bearish for the day. Low prices. Next objective goes over here. Since we took our long entry here that went against market order flow, we had a loss, but we took it. We to take the auto trade. We had a win there. Okay. Okay, so over here, let's see what this is. That word. The HSN made the high of the day, but this scanner right over here. This scanner went below it. Now making it CRT. We're still expecting this for the be the high of the day. Sorta. Let's see. We go to the hourly time frame. 2 a.m. Let's see how the market does this 2 a.m. thing. So the 4 hour time frame did not soup it out, it looks like. Interesting. Let me think about this. Let me use some brain here. Order flow is bearish. The half this got souped out. But market, this is the 5, this is the CRT, right? Just make the high of the day though. We also gotta look at the key level here. I mean, for this key level would be for the daily. This key level would be the daily, which in previous day's high. What we has our key level. Order flow is bearish. But the principle is bearish. But it's kind of interesting why didn't this soup this out. But yeah, let's see. Let's go to the hourly time frame. 2 AM candle was a CRT as well. 2 AM candle was a CRT here. Boom. Let's go to the 5-minute hour. Key levels right. For this would be in the 5 minutes would be the scanner right here. Boom. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing that for. I'm not looking to take a trade until market taps that CRT. Let's see. Taps it. Here's the entry here. Boom. Taps it. Boom. Give it an entry. Boom. It's TP for a 3.9 RR. But how would they not take out the half the day though? Let's see, because this guy's know what he's talking about that shit. New York continuation day. New York continuation would be 9 p.m. as a candle range. 9 p.m. Oh. New York continuation day. 9 p.m. candle with the CRT. 1 a.m. candle with the manipulation. The 5 p.m. candle would be the expansion eventually. Classic expansion day. There's multiple of these bad boys. Ooh. I'm looking for the one that makes the high of the day. Oh, man. Okay, so this one will be the 1 p.m. is okay. The 1 a.m. will be the CRT. The 5 a.m. will be the relation. In this case, though, the CRT went below it, but it never really tapped it. Let's see on this scanner that it. So this is the classic expansion week. We're looking for a variety to do a robust retracement. Uh-huh. Okay, so this does look like okay. This is confusing me. You're confusing me. This is giving us a near here. It would expand our take profit to here, which got tapped. Boom. Ta-la. You got views here now. Views here now. I don't know how's that a day of the day. How's that the day of the? Let me see down here. Okay, let me see that 1 a.m. So this is his. And this okay. This can be the delay protection profile. So New York continuation. Okay, so New York we're looking for continuation. For this, for the New York, we don't have for the 4 hours time frame. We don't have any CRT here. I mean, not we do have CRT here, but we don't have any fucking key level here. What's our key level? Nothing. Hourly time frame. What's our key level here? Where's that? Look at it. Boom. But are we looking for a continuation here? Is delay pressure? So looking. Okay, so this will be looks at the VA. Market pumps back up. Takes out the high of the day. It taps here. This does okay, so that's why, mate. Man, let me go look at my phone because this looks like to be a New York reversal, or I mean, or yeah, New York fucking reversal, man. What the fuck? What the fuck? This son of a bitch. My God. My God. Let me see something, cause I'm fried. Look at Friday, man. What am I doing with that shit, nigga? Let's look at the delayed production profile. New York reversal. New York reversal. Oh, mate. I should have known this, cuz. I should have known this, cuz. I got it. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Found it. Found it. Found it. Found it. Found it. Found it, chat. It's that easy, bruh. Found it. I found it. I found it. Found it. We're back. Now I know it. I just gotta look at Twitter. Now I know it. Now I know it. Okay, New York reversal. Oh my god, there's two profiles, New York reversal. I don't even know that. Let me see. Let me see what type of profile it is. I forgot to look at the yeah. We're gonna do some live stream chat. You don't want to see some live streams, man? I been bumping. I been sucking. So this production profile, 5 p.m. would be the 5 a.m. would be Jersey, the 1 would be Jersey. Okay, just look at this. Okay. 9 hours wrong. Let me put my phone back at the 0 mark. Let's go. Today looks like to be New York reversal. So since the 5 p.m. since the 5 p.m. was not a CRT. So for this, we still took the trade because obviously our boss is bearish, right? Obviously our boss is bearish. So what are we gonna do now is very what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Okay, so since the 5 p.m. was not the CRT and the 1 a.m. this candle, I mean, a delay protection profile would be when this 9 p.m. candle purges out the 5 p.m. That would be the delay protection profile, right? In this case, it doesn't do it, right? And the other way would be the protection profile. The no protection profile would be the 9 p.m. right? In this case, it didn't did it, right? Neither this one. So down this market purged it out. We're still looking for sales here. We're looking to short it down. But New York session is gonna be different. New York session is gonna be how is the market candle forming here, right? Let's go to the 5 p.m. Let's go to the 1 a.m. Our 1 a.m. is our what? Our accumulation. Our 5 a.m. is our what? Our manipulation. Our 9 p.m. is our what? Is a expansion. So 1 a.m. is the accumulation. The 5 a.m. is the manipulation. There's a 9 p.m. is expansion. So in this case, we're playing with the profile too, right? So now we go here. This is our TP right there. The overall TP is over here to the high of the day. This is a fake high of the day. How is that fake high of the day? Because it was not the CRT of the day, right? And why am I looking for a counter trend? Because yes, the order flow is bearish. Yes, everything is bearish. It's just that did not make the high of the day. So I'm looking for a New York reversal profile too. You see right over here. Purge it out. So it's not a legitimate low. Purge it not a good low. Market dumped it. Okay, purge it not a good low. There will be a loss because we're not trading before 9 a.m. Blood clot. Put it on a low. We bought a low. Market rip. Now we're looking for two things. We're looking for two types of entry. Entry 1 would be the highest high of this leg up. That leg up that took out liquidity, right? This leg up that took out this liquidity. It's not this candle. How is this not a breakout block? How is that? It's not a breakout block. Think about it. Think about it. The highest high candle before pushing out the liquidity in that leg up, right? So our model one on this case would be what? Purge liquidity at 6 to 7 a.m. This is the reason this one failed is the liquidity purge is not between the 6 to 7 a.m. Purge it out at the right time. Low, boom. No, it's not low. This right over here, model number one. Entry, your entry, first entry would be here. Your second entry, since this is the 5 a.m. candle got purged, right? And the other case, the profile one would be the 5 a.m. candle, the range. The 9 candle is because in this case, the 1 a.m. candle is the range, right? The 5 a.m. candle is the manipulation. In the other case, the 1 a.m. candle was not the range. The 5 candle was the, you know, the 5 a.m. was the range. The 9 p.m. is the 9 a.m. is the manipulation. The 1 p.m. is the expansion, right? In this case, was the 1 a.m. that was the range. The 5 a.m. was the manipulation. The 9 p.m. is what? The 9 a.m. is what? The expansion. So we're looking for the highest, the leg up that price took this down, the highest high candle. Just multiple candles or multiple, it could be multiple candles or just a one. Boom. That's the 5-minute time frame. I'm looking at the wrong time frame. I looked at the wrong time frame. Okay, you can see right over here. Oh my goodness. So that would have been no losses here. Okay. I'll look at the market wrong. Look at the 15-minute time frame. What do we have here? There's a limited low, so market pushes down more. We already have our key level, this low right over here. Boom, pushes that low, market pushes down another low. Entry number one. And our entry number two is breaker block, which this is 9:45. This is 9 a.m. The 9 a.m. candle. Fortunately, this says we are in the presence of a 9 p.m. candle. Says we are in the presence of a. So the only way we could enter before 9 a.m. would be how? Would be if we're already in the presence of a 4-hour CRT. In this case, are we in the presence of 4-hour CRT? Yes, we are. What's our 4-hour CRT? This candle. This is the 1 a.m. being the CRT, the 5 being the manipulation, the 9 p.m. being expansion, right? So we're in the presence. We're still not taking a trade, and we're not taking any trade before 9 a.m. We're not taking any trade before 8. So 8 comes in, right when it taps this purge, right into this auto block, looking for instantly for that entry. Let's stop below that. TP would be a New York reversal since the 5 a.m. This cannot be the high. How is the 5? How is that candle not the high of the day? Did it purge out liquidity? No. Was it the CRT? No. So that's not the high of the day. And we're looking for New York reversal. This is what happened. New York reversal, tapped it. It taps. We're looking for a 2.2 RR. Market tapped it. Market trying to hit TP in the next hour or so, right? Boom. Took a counter trend. The counter makes sense because the 1 a.m. candle was not the actual goal. This right over here, it's not like well, don't really have any narrative to this. What's the narrative, right? The narrative is basically this is like what am I just using the daily profile as my way of trading? No, right? Just basically it makes sense for the market to pump back up there, right? It makes sense because it didn't make the high of the day, right? And daily profile is very powerful. It's an advanced way of market profiling, and market needs to, you know what I'm saying? Market will make the high or low of the day. It's not that it knows how to will make it, it's how it will. He has to, right? There's no it will or not, right? So in this case, it did not make the high of the day, so market pumped that back up over there, right? It will still be still taking its trade regardless, right? And why would we be taking a trade? Because we're looking for a New York reversal, right? New York reversal, profile 1 or profile 2, right? In this case, it's profile 1. Profile 2, I mean. Boom, ATP, right? That's that. Simple as that. Now, on to the next day. And our market profile, market straight away ranged, expanded, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? Simple as that. Now let's go to the next day. This is our Friday. Friday freaking day. our order flow is still bearish. For the market to go, in order for the market to go to order the higher order flow has to be here. Because the market meet the weekly objective goal, and we had a bullish reaction out of the Thursday. We could expect Friday to do a retracement. So we could look for a little bit higher moving from here, right? This right here, it should definitely be bullish, right? Yep, it does. It will definitely be bullish. So you can see it here. Agency does the same thing as this last time. Did the agency push out liquidity? Or the agency the CRT? Did the market push out the low right here? No. So there's not a delayed protection profile. We're looking for a. So we either this is not delayed protection profile. How does not delayed protection profile? The agency make the low of the day. Sometimes I might be wrong, sometimes I might be right, but in this case, we're going to be going right back to the if-then principle. The if-then principle says we're expecting lower prices. It's right over here. I think lower prices, so if-then principle says a breaking profile, and TGIF for the weekly, I'll do a retracement, but in this case, we're looking for a down move. So I'm not going to follow what the TGIF says, right? I'm looking to follow what the if-then principle says, right? If the principle says this should be the high of the day. And so our CRT, this could be a delayed protection profile. But if market does go above this right over here, if the market does go above this CRT, this high, this is no longer a delayed protection profile if they adapt to the market condition, right? That's no longer a delayed protection profile. We're not looking for Lennox to go just straight go down, make a delayed protection profile. If the high gets purchased, not looking for that, we're looking for lower movement, right? Let's see what time it does that. Straight away purchase that out, right? So that is no longer our delayed protection profile. What we're gonna do is now count this as our profile here. It says we're still in this range. Oh, it's kind of stupid. It's still in this range because still count this range, but and notice that's not like the half a day, right? Notice that just makes the half. It's a New York reversal. Okay, so let's see if we have any entry here. Where's that liquidity again? We're back at the right time. Boom. So I'll look into a 3, looking for a trade. 2, okay, so there's our CRT here. Where's that liquidity back at the right time at 1 a.m.? Would have been a loss here. The next session we're looking for a trade here, right? So boom, loss is definitely part of the game. We're going with the order flow. We're going to everything. Do we have our key level? That's what matters. If we're using a 4-hour and an hourly, the hourly has to have a key level. The 4 hours have a key level. 4-hour key level. Where's our 4-hour key level here? Our 4-hour key level is very simple. The CRT high, boom. This rejection block, not CRT high, boom. So we're not looking for no trade until this rejection block is got hit. The hourly will be this hourly auto block. Boom. Now we'll go to the 5-minute. That's a sidebar. We're looking for boom, actual purge hacker at once. Gonna occur another one. Got a closure below it. Jimmy. So looking for shells shorts here. So around 3 a.m. hits that level again. We're looking for shorts, right? Looking to short to here and all the way overall all to here. And to 50%. I forgot to do 50% for these. My bad. Yeah, and I forgot to do 50%. Always do the 50% for these. But for investment, nah. Investment, you either gonna die or you gotta live. You know what I mean? Boom. So market enters, you're stopped out instantly. Now wait until next session. Next session we're expecting lower prices. Loss there. Boom. Next session wait until next session. Now that's no longer a CRT. Our new CRT is right over here. Now the 1 a.m. the CRT, the 5 a.m. gonna be placing that is gonna be profile 2. Boom, we're in the presence of 5 HRT. So now look at the 5-minute. We're at our key level, which is basically a reduction block or this survival or this right over here. Could be any of these. Right. Boom. Market comes out. Taps our key level. CRT actually low right over there. Then a loss right over there. Boom. To get from here to here. Obviously, market hit a 50%. So looking for another retracement to the downside to the trade. No, we'd be entered. We would have entered the trade beforehand, right? So that's the position is already too big on the 50% mark here. 50% mark. Boom. Enter out the 50% mark. Because we're present on this 4-hour CRT beforehand, not hourly, only 4-hour. We could enter this trade early, right? So market taps at 50%. We're still looking for that trade. We're looking to short it to down right over here. Boom. Market short over his TP, right? And that's the end of the day, end of the week, end of the session. Now we're out of this whole thing. Now let's go over it. And from this week on, I'm going to be doing my weekly market recap again because this week was just a testing week, man. We just keep on learning, right? That's the way. That's the move. You know what I mean? But yeah, this one we lost because we went against the draw. Look, we went against if the principal was bullish, but this definitely did tell us, you know, no, we're counter trend. Order flow is bearish. Market stopped us out, and then that's when we went with the order flow, TP. Boom. Next session, no trades here, no trades here, no trades here, no trades here. Market went with the order flow, bearish, right? Expansion days, boom. Once you hit the thing, hits the key level. But the 5 EOT was not the CRT, so we're looking for a New York reversal, profile 2. Right over here, New York reversal, profile 2 happened, boom, hit TP. This one was a loss because, you know, this loss are definitely part of the game, part of the process, right? So market stopped us out, went up, got another entry here, 50% mark, because again, the order block is way too huge. We're looking for a threshold entry, boom, hit TP. Over here, same thing over here. Another way, this is on Monday, market at the key level at our entry here, 5 SRT. This is the 5 p.m. Which candle was this? If the principal on these days were bearish as well, so you're going with us, right? So if the principal on this day was bearish, this soup it out or no? There's an equal low here. Boom. So market really never pressed it out. So we're looking for the lunch session to make the high of the day, but it could definitely be false, right? It could definitely be false. In this case, the lunch session made the low of the day. This other candle made the low of the day, so we're still expecting for lower prices here. We're looking for a near because this is the inside bar, so we're looking for a London. We're looking for normal position profile, but that could definitely be false, and market could, you know, kind of adapt to the market condition. Boom. We're short here. The downside, go to the hourly time frame, so you can get a better look in there. Boom. We're still in presence of this. We enter the last 5 minutes. Enter HTP. Boom. This candle now just says we're overall bearish, right? With the principal wick above, so looking for lower prices here, right? So if we're looking for lower prices here, we're looking for lunch to make the high of the day. So right when this gets falsely broken, the 5 p.m. does not. 5 p.m. becomes a manipulation candle. So now this looks like to be a New York reversal, right? The profile is no longer a London making holiday. So now we're doing the profession profile. 1 a.m. the candle range, 5 p.m. the 5 a.m. making the manipulation, the 9 p.m. continuing against a New York reversal profile 2. So this we're like expecting the new market to make the high of the day on London. It does not make the high of the day of London. So we're looking for reversal. Market, boom, reverses back to the upside. So take another trade on New York session would be a dumb trade to take. Then eventually here, well, no trades. It was a trade here to the upside. Then I just made the low of the day. Boom. It did. The 1 a.m. was on the CRT. The 5 a.m. was on the CRT. So looking for New York continuation here. There's no New York reversal. Boom. Looking for New York continuation because boom, boom. When this made the high today, that made the high today. You should be that made the high today because you're not a CRT. So boom. I think principal says we're bullish in this case. So we want that to make the low division. Boom, look at the table. New York continuation. 5 p.m. was on the CRT. The 1 a.m. was on the CRT. The 5 p.m. was on the CRT. 5 a.m. was on the CRT. The 9 we look so straight away. We're looking for continuation candle here. Get this continuation candle here. Boom. It might be the New York reversal because 1 a.m. to be CRT. Because we were bullish in this case, right? We're looking for this to make the low of the day, not no reversal. Boom, makes the low of the day. Once she makes the low of the day, not in the place. If this is gonna be a reversal, market needs to go for down from here. Boom, makes the low of the day. Boom. Okay, sorry. Boom. That 1 5 a.m. Boom. TP. Entries there. Entry. There was an entry here. So looking for boom. Database profile. Looking for New York continuation. For New York to continue the move. Boom. Makes the low of the day. Boom. Okay, so this is our market recap. We're gonna keep this like this until tomorrow. Eventually, tomorrow is gonna look into this again one more time. Probably not, because I let my mind refresh. But this is my market recap. I'm not going to be shoot high. I'm gonna be making it once I actually take trades on this week. This week, then we'll take a trade. So back to the week. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later, alligator. It was a good 1 hour stream. Back tested. Got the information. Now all we gotta do is use the if-then principle in our live data now. All we gotta do is do the delayed partition profile, do our daily profile right, do our weekly profile right, and look at news calendar and everything like that. Thank you for watching, and implement meme coins for meme coins in any investment. Use CRT as well because it works so freaking well. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later, alligator. Peace out.